finna pop up. Cold ass and I ain't really like the gossip. 40 do the work cause I ain't really like to talk much. First place, yeah, you know you see me winning. Fuck perks if they block what I'm feeling. Fuck cops if they block who we killin'. I stood 10 toes, never fold, I'm the realest. Speaking up on me, I'ma show you what I'm about. Man, I do my own dirt, I ain't never need no help. Man, I tell it how it is, I ain't never need no clout. Man, I'm looking for the ops, but it's looking like a drought. On the set, hey, I been earned that. Talking about that red rag shit, I been burned that. Fuck all my ops, they ain't really with the shits. Man, the only thing I know is gunshots and gun clips. Ain't you know it, I really show it. Guns get to singing on they block like a poet. Get the gloves in the mask if they fucking with the team. Yeah, I got aim, baby, I ain't never need no beam. Shit crazy, 500 for the verse. Never getting cocky, but I been on my words. Man, I do it for my pops laying down in that dirt. Man, I'm trying to make a name, but the hood got me cursed. I know you see me, and I ain't nothing finna stop us. Call my name and you know I'm finna pop up. Cold ass and I ain't really like the gossip. 40 do the work cause I ain't really like to talk much. First place, yeah, you know you see me winning. Fuck perks if they block what I'm feeling. Fuck cops if they block who we killin'. I stood 10 toes, never fold, I'm the realest. Living life to the fullest till the cops come and get me. Demons in my head, just know that they send me. Really with the shits, man, you know if you met me. Did it on my own, told the bitch don't sway me. I'm a cold ass and I been on my own. Age of 13, left the crib feeling grown. Never learned shit, but I been on my toes. Pulling skits past the blick, man, you know I never froze. I done seen a lot of shit, but I never need to say it. That boy want a feast, told that boy go and pay it. Never had it free, man, them boys with their handouts. Down on my ass, I ain't asking for a handout. Been with the shits turned up where I'm from. I'm so bunked, they be living like a bum. Fuck what you claim, give a fuck where you from. Tripping on my gang, what the fuck is you dumb? I'ma show you what it is, what the walk all about. Go the wrong way and these guns walk you out. Being out the window, but I like to walk down. Put my first skid, fell in love with gun sound. Living life to the fullest till the cops come and get me. Demons in my head, just know that they send me. Really with the shits, man, you know if you met me. Did it on my own, told the bitch don't sway me. I'm a cold ass and I been on my own. Age of 13, left the crib feeling grown. Never learned shit, but I been on my toes. Pulling skits past the blick, man, you know I never froze. Cops with my head, told the boys better look. Give a fuck about the time, I go and read a book. Dark nights in the cell, left a couple wives shook. I ain't lying about this life, you can see it in my look. I'm with the gunplay, walk downs, Ben did it. Fucking up your hood, turn down, they ain't with it. I'm shooting at the A's and the C's on they fitted. Man, I wish yes it would, I'm the one really with it. I'm with the gunplay, walk downs, Ben did it. Fucking up your hood, turn down, they ain't with it. I'm shooting at the A's and the C's on they fitted. Man, I wish yes it would, I'm the one really with it. I'm living life to the fullest till the cops come and get me. Demons in my head, just know that they send me. Really with the shits, man, you know if you met me. Did it on my own, told the bitch don't sway me. I'm a cold ass and I been on my own. Age of 13, left the crib feeling grown. Never learned shit, but I been on my toes. Pulling skits past the blick, man, you know I never froze. Yeah, I'm tired of all the fake shit, I don't fake shit. Round in this bench tryna spank shit. I was been bunked, they ain't never even case shit. I was told in the field not to say shit. Riding in this G and I'm pushing over hundreds. I'm trying to do it so I make a couple hundreds. Bad bitches look cause they love how I'm coming. I give good dick, baby girl, why you running? It get cold, I'm the one to bring the heat out. Cold killer, I'm the one to go and knock the sea down. They ain't in the streets, hiding when the P's out. Got good aim, I'll show you what the P's bout. Fuck talking, they'll never understand. Risks that I take, I'm the man with the plan. Trips after trip, left these stains on my hand. No fun when they run, that's the shit I can't stand. Out on bail and I ain't learned my lesson. Shit that I did leave you fuck asses guessing. I'm gangbang, give a fuck who you pressing. It's V and Dub Cave if anybody asking. Hit they block with my gloves and my mask. One in the head, you ain't even gotta ask. Tryna up the score, but I'm worried about the task. If you see an enemy, go sending shots at his ass. Yeah, I'm tired of all the fake shit, I don't fake shit. Round in this bench tryna spank shit. I was been bunked, they ain't never even case shit. I was told in the field not to say shit. Riding in this G and I'm pushing over hundreds. I'm trying to do it so I make a couple hundreds. Bad bitches look cause they love how I'm coming. I give good dick, baby girl, why you running? Yeah, I'm tired of all the fake shit, I don't fake shit. Round in this bench tryna spank shit. I was been bunked, they ain't never even case shit. I was told in the field not to say shit.
out. I be got 40 this bitch from Norwalk. Double K.
You can catch me in the hub, hang out with the biz. Screaming with a passion, 187 on the bitch. Sparked him with a taser on the gang, I seen on Twitch. Yeah, we started with his burner like homies, so don't trip.
I love the gang bang, man, this shit is what I do. I empty out this clip and I show you that I'm a fool. Put me in the game, I'm the asset that's gon' shoot. Fuck about the fame, I'm the asset that wants to loot.
You ain't never bust a burner on the gang, so tell the truth. The ops clicking up that a homie is nothing new. I never rap cap when I'm rapping on the booth. Man, the ops getting spanked to the homie that got abused.
Stop with all that poppin', the ones that make it happen. See us in the set, we the ones that keep it active. Fuck all my ops, I'm saying it with a passion. Every time I up the blower, you know that they wasn't laughing.
Chuck your phone, nigga, gotta bark it like a cannon. Your hood full of smokers, the homie go chase the dragon. Tryna play ball in the field just like it's mad. Ain't every time I bang the bottle, yeah, I'm banging with a passion.
Told the suckers, don't test me, this shit could get messy. Rhyme with this fully, man, your hood don't impress me. Anytime I bounce out, man, they know what it was. Norwalk gang to the K's, know we dumb.
I love the gang bang, you could catch me in the Chevy. Lit that boy up, I seen blood, the shit was messy. Started with a drum on the Drake, that shit was heavy. Anybody get it tripping on the game, they getting buried.
Popping out with 50, I ain't never like use the stock. Bitch got the poking and thinking it was my cock. Never telling lies, you see it up in my eyes. Gunshots, all you hear when you see me up on that block.
You know I'm back the Cobra shot out to Norwalk. You dissing on the bottom, I'm starting up with the chop. The gang unit tripping on the hood, I never stop. If I sign it with Frosty like homie, you getting dropped.
Drop a hop like a fly, send that bitch to the sky. Tell no lies when I slide, man, this shit do or die. Man, this shit in my blood, you could see it in my eyes. If I slide on your block, best believe it gon' die.
The bullet get a poking and flaming just like injections. Don't come to my hood, little homie, there's no exceptions. Never catch you like in the hood, I went to weapon, yeah, with CK bash and leave his mother with depression.
He saw the Case gang, all this bitch, I don't know my gang, who's tripping, nobody. Fuck anything up with CK, boy, you here, bitch.
Aye, it's double K's. All the way to 58, stupid. Aye, first thing first, let me hop, you understand. You ain't with it, you a bitch, you ain't a man. You playing with a snake, she living with a shit bag. We saw the ones, cause that fool likes to brag. I'm just saying, little homie, man, you ain't even official. You think you with it, cause you smoking on that crystal. Slipping in a hoodie, never that, I got a pistol. You slipping out the nose, best believe that I'ma get you. Cause I'm just saying you ain't ready for that click, clack, kick back. You don't wanna smoke, you better stay back. When you see me in the hood, I'm dressed in all black. Talking all that shit, best believe you getting bitch slapped. Yeah, your homie in the back, and why you fidgeting? Fed on the phone, I'm acting crazy, why they listening? The bullet high, yeah, I know you blood is sizzling. You been in different hood last year, well, it's really active.
2 blowers on my lap, and I'm trying to catch a sucker out here lacking, slipping out in traffic. If he tripping, let him have it. It's to your nose if you wanna see me blast. Really active. 2 blowers on my lap, and I'm trying to catch a sucker out here lacking, slipping out in traffic. If he tripping, let him have it. It's to your nose if you wanna see me blast.
Bitches for the birds, I can't catch one. Siding all black, with things loaded, so don't ask us if he's strapped up. We cast up, there ain't no way you suckers past us. They fast up, you should've seen the way we ran up. Free Smokey, they been trying to give him life. There's homicide up on my mind every night. Catch you at the light, it's only right to bang the 5. I'm a 58, baby, bitch, you know I bang mine. Stay gang related, don't condone you suckers making statements. You wanna talk, baby, send a payment, siding with no destination. We get a bag and then we demonstrate it. Get it from the back, I grip it, then I penetrate it. Bitch, my name hold weight, that's why they hate me. P80s and Drakeys, we going crazy. All that internet typing, it don't faze me. Bitches LA to Dago, we going crazy.
Really active. 2 blowers on my lap, and I'm trying to catch a sucker out here lacking, slipping out in traffic. If he tripping, let him have it. It's to your nose if you wanna see me blast. He really active. 2 blowers on my lap, and I'm trying to catch a sucker out here lacking, slipping out in traffic. If he tripping, let him have it. It's to your nose if you wanna see me blast. Aye, tough talk, come and try it on the avenue. We pop shots on every block, adjusting attitudes. Gun slang like the gun range when we blasted you. Salute the soldiers like, boy, I'm really proud of you. Headshot, close case, then I pissed on it. Ain't a thing to bust brains, bitch, I been on it. Slick with it like a ghost gun and a stick on it. See the ops bust a bitch through a clip on it. 5's up, park the whip if we gon' drive up. I bust slugs at his lung and leave him dried up. Slide up, don't fuck a witness and leave him tied up. I'm bending blocks, hop the whip and I don't hide nothing. Really active. 2 blowers on my lap, and I'm trying to catch a sucker out here lacking, slipping out in traffic. If he tripping, let him have it. It's to your nose if you wanna see me blast. He really active. 2 blowers on my lap, and I'm trying to catch a sucker out here lacking. slipping out in traffic. If he trippin', let him have it. It's to your nose if you wanna see me blast it.
58 shit, stupid all the way to KK.
Wrong double crazy in the house. You saw double legs.
I let it down, stupid. Stop playing.
Double case.
For the King's dog. There's a things, brothers burn their tan to always bring joy. Oxen MPs, yeah, they're my favorite toys. Man, you on fire, love, heard that loud noise. That's about me and my bro, they call him Playboy. Man, they came with a grip and a muzzle brake. All the detachments so your ass don't run away. Run escape, flying to the pit, it's your last day. Slowly bleeding nine, you posted up at setting gates. Yeah, I'm bald-headed bitch with a blue rag. Fools overdosing of drugs, going outside. 2 burners, 30 shots, can you do the math? Never right to settle a homie, and I could bang that. We gon' always play ball like I'm Babe Ruth. Wanna be famous, okay? Now you want the news. Now your face turns scared like it's peekaboo. Who was you? Say the wrong thing, I'ma shoot you. Now I'm speaking to my demon on my ghetto angel. Don't call your homie a sucker, ain't no longer stable. Take double white sheet, it was pretty fatal. AK, ape bitch, and that's my label. You got a gun, I got a gun, let's hit the battlefield. Bullet flying, heard the switch, man, that shit gave me chills. Yeah, I gotta calm my nerves, so I pop the pill. They ask me how I got it, just know, bitch, we got skills. Man, that boy stay lying, he ain't no evil demon. Matter of fact, be at church almost every weekend. Man, you gotta be ready for any reason. Winter's cold, but summer it be the coldest season. G21, bitch, I make a landslide. First show, have you a tweaking? I like you smoking rock. Real life guns, now